So one of the best things about summer is corn on the cob, unless the cob is full of corn earworms. So today I'd like to share with you how to control the corn earworm naturally. So the corn earworm is the main pest that messes up our delicious sweet corn. So the moth flies around the garden laying its eggs on the host plant. When the larvae hatch, they will eat holes in the leaves as they are unfolding. And next they will eat the silks, and this keeps the kernels from getting pollinated. So last, the worm will bore into the ears and will eat the kernels down to the middle. So corn earworms have 4 stages to their life cycle. There's egg, larvae, pupae, which is the cocoon, and the moth. So the corn earworm is a moth that's about 1.5 inches long. It's grayish in color with a few spots on the wings. So I'd like to control this pest at the larval stage. So here are 4 ways to naturally control the corn earworm. Number 1 is oil. Drop mineral, olive, or canola oil into the corn ears after the silks have turned brown. This will suffocate the worm but will not affect the corn. Number 2 is BT. This is a bacterial pathogen that is used for biological control over larvae. It is widely used by organic growers, and BT can work if you put it on soon enough. You want to apply it once a week to the corn ears as soon as you see the first silks. It's not very effective once the earworm has entered into the corn ear. It is safe for plants, animals, and humans. Alright, number 3 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is ground up fossilized seashells, and diatomaceous earth will puncture soft body insects like the corn earworm, and they will dehydrate and die. Alright, so before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn other ways to control garden pests naturally, you can get our Homemade Organic Pest Control ebook that you can get for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. And we give this away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetable Guide. And this is for anyone who sponsors the High Performance Garden Show at the $8.25 level. So if you're interested, go ahead and go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Scroll down the page to find the sponsor section. Alright, number 4 is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. So use Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew once a week from the time that you see the first silks until harvest. So the key here is timing. You need to get to the earworm before it does all the destruction. So watch the silks and then start applying the BT, the Captain Jack's, or the diatomaceous earth. Wait for the silks to turn brown before applying the oils. So with just a few observation skills and some organic remedies, you can have worm-free corn to enjoy all summer.